Hi, this is Shivansh, a second year computer science student in MIT, and I want to be an MSP because of a lot of reasons. For example, I've always been interested in new technologies and gizmos, and I've always wanted to create something in the computer field which is just out of the box and something that changes the way we live and we think. And I think MSP is a great platform which could help me achieve my dreams. Now, the reasons why I should be an MSP is that I have a real good knowledge of programming in C, C++, and I also know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL in the web development field. Apart from that, over the years I've become pretty confident in addressing large crowds, and I have even organized a lot of events in my college, both in technical and the non-technical side. Above all, I'm a Microsoft stalker. That is, I've always followed Microsoft and its products, and I guess this is something which would give me an edge over others applying for MSP. I would now give my views on Windows 8. The first look of Windows 8 is itself very impressive. The fresh and a very non-traditional interface, that is the tiles, used for applications is highly appealing to me. Microsoft has broken its leashes and has brought something entirely new to this world. Windows 8 is an OS which could be used both in normal desktops and even on touch phones and tablets, which shows its huge diversity. Talking about some of its new features, the user interface design is perhaps the main thing I like about this new OS. It's clean, simple, sharp, modern and lean. I've ran out of superlatives that can describe it, and from an aesthetics perspective, it's really one of the best user interfaces out there today. And I even used the new Internet Explorer 10, which I guess is a great improvement than its earlier versions. And one of its new features is the snap multitasking, where I can drag and multitask. That's, I can open up two apps at the same time and even reposition them, which is something entirely new in Windows 8. And another thing about Windows 8 which is really impressive is that it connects to the nearby Wi-Fi's at real great speeds, which is something we students relish. So these are my views on Windows 8, and it would really help me achieve my dreams if given a chance to work with MSP.